Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Apex Legends fix, redistributable package DirectX not installed error. Open File Explorer. Open this PC. Open C drive. Open Program Files x86. Click Origin Games. Click to open Apex folder. Click to open Installer folder. Click to open DirectX folder. Click to open Redist folder. Select all files except these three files. Select all files except these three files. Press Delete key to delete all files. Second method is open Apex game. Click My Game Library. Right-click Apex Legends. Click Game Properties. Uncheck Enable Origin in Game for Apex Legends. Click Save and open Apex game. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.